Let's look at turning mixed numbers into improper fractions and improper fractions into mixed numbers. Try to think about what's going on with the number 3 2/3. Look at that mixed number, right? Remember what this means. Think about this going back to what we talked about with ratios and fractions. This means I've got 3 candy bars. And this means I've got 2/3 of a candy bar. So remember, if that means thirds, then that means I had 3 of them here. I had 3 of them here. I had 3 of them here, right? So that's 9 of them. Bear those numbers in mind. I've got 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I've got 11 of those thirds, right? Well, our shortcut, what if we multiplied 3 times 3? Multiply those two numbers, 3 times 3, add the numerator. Keep the same denominator. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11 over 3. That's our shortcut. We're multiplying those because that's saying how many candy bars I have, splitting them up times 3, the denominator, plus how many left over did I have? That's how many I had over 3. 11 thirds. Now, let's look at what's going on if I have an improper fraction that I start with. Over 4, right? Improper fraction because the top's bigger than the bottom, right? See what's going on. All right, well, I got 4 going into 21. Well, it goes into it 5 times, right? Because 4 times 5 would be 20. That's the most 4s that I could get in. That's how many candy bars I have. If I were to look at that, that would mean that I had 5 candy bars. And if that was only 20, right? If that was 5 candy bars and the quarters, that was only 20, I would have the 1 left over. So here I would divide and then I would subtract. Now, once again, we know that it's keeping the same bottom. But that's how we end up converting mixed numbers into improper fractions into mixed numbers, right? Multiply and add, divide and subtract.